Yeah. Good, that's good.
Kima, Robona wena sa. Sisukubona. Utshontsha ifoni wena?
Yeah. Kuwe noma.
Utshontsha kuphi? Utshontsha kuphi? Epitori. All right.
Utshontsha izinto zabantu.
Thierry bafana yasebenza yezwa.
Baba.
Yes.
Keep your hands.
Thierry yasebenza yezwa.
Baba.
Yini yasebenza?
Thierry.
Yini?
Openda futhi.
Thierry yasebenza. Yini?
Thierry.
Yeah. That's my boy.
Hi, sebafikile abo Mr and Mrs. Sebafikile. Askisi. Yeah! Yeah! Hayibo! It's telephone. Mina ngithi uyagijima uyangena. Uphamlile ne? Yeah, ngisho ukuthi uyangena mina ngiyambona nakakulandela. Now scream I thought just because useduze. No, yena, they came different.
No, marutila dropa mucho.
But drop somebody.
So, I'm a bill. The driver has another phone.
No, it's not the driver, it's the passenger.
The passenger.
Yeah. No, it's raining. Yeah.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Ibambiwe iphone snatcher yalapha ePitori nase-Johannesburg leligama layo kunguNobert Zampambela, who is allegedly from Zimkesanwa. Bebamfuna phansi phezulu umfana ngemva kokuthi aseculator lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana abonakala ku-video owantshontsha ifoni yalomnyesisa isnatcher abaleke owangena kwemoto yeToyota ishaya iqithi imoto. Le video sabalele kakhulu lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana basho nje ukuthi hayi lo mfana ufuneka phansi phezulu, ufunwa njengemali lo mfana labambonako nje naba make sure ukuthi uyabanjwa aka-receive ne-mob justice. Bantu bamfuna lo mfana, bamfuna phila mhlaba lo mfana ayiswebo somnqane ngendlela abantu bebamfuna ngakhona ngemva ukuthi bambone aseculator lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana kuphenze kuresurface lamanye amavideo akhe lakhombisako ukuthi lo mfana uyijwayele lento yokusnatcha amafoni lapha eJohannesburg nalapha ePitori vele dindo takhe. Bantu bathi bayamfuna lo mfana, kufanele ukuthi bamfundzise kubamba indlela. Guess what, namhle kuseni uNobert ubanjiwe, utholiwe. He was even shaking waqhuqa because bekabona ukuthi usekakeni. Balabaningi bajabule ngemva ngendlela lesimanga ngemva kokuthi babone Nobert Zampambela kokuthi ubanjiwe lo mfana lo bekatrenda laphana kuleya video athathela sesubantu Nkosi yami i-iPhone yakhe njengoba sesibona bambeke nesandla emqaleni kokuthi ubanjiwe. Uzati ukhulumela bambuta ukuthi ngulo lo ntshontshele lo sesifoni uyintshontshe ephi ifoni yathi ukhulumela ukuthi ifoni uyintshontshile nguye and uyintshontshe ePitori. Bantu they were sharing ma profile akhe lapha kuma social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, bekagqwele yonke indzawo lo mfana basho ukuthi lo mfana lona uyi-most wanted. So banjiwe kena ngazuthi nje nabangadila naye lo mfana, ngathi nje bangamklapa guys, ngathi bangamshaba emandi angayiphinzi lento yokutshontshela abantu amafoni. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.